Welcome to another episode of the 90-second guitar lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about how to play F chord. And I've got some stepping stones in order to play our full F chord, which is going to look like this. But if that is too hard, I've got some steps to help you along your journey. So the first one's going to be 3 fingers, which is going to be our third finger, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, your second finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and your first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And the 1st string is going to be open. This is going to be an F major 7 chord, which is the easiest F to play. Then we're going to make that a little bit harder by getting the first finger to sit flat across the first 2 strings. And with each chord we're trying to get each string to be clean and clear. So that's our second step. Our third step is to play kind of like the bar chord that we're looking to play, but we're just going to play with the open first string again with those extra fingers, kind of like a C chord. There's our C chord. We're adding in our pinky finger and changing that second finger back to where it was. And we're going to play the open first string as well, which is a beautiful sounding chord. If I'm playing an F in a song, usually it's this one, because I think it sounds awesome. And then the next step is get our first finger to sit flat again. So we're going to have all 5 strings now. So 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then 1st fret and 1st fret. And then we're going to get our first finger to sit flat across all 6 strings. So there's our 4 steps to playing an F bar chord. So them again: 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger, 4th, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret and 1st fret, and open 1st string. Then we're going to get our first finger to sit flat, if you can. Then we're going to put on our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string and move our pinky finger to the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Kick that 1st string open, my favorite once again, and our last one is adding the bar across all 6 strings. Hope that helps.